And I learn a lot from the students. They have some very good questions, require me to think a little bit in terms of responding. So I'm Professor Ian Eames. I'm a Professor of Fluid Mechanics and I'm teach at University College London. Over the last decade, there's been enormous changes on propulsion technology, and there are some very interesting changes that occur now. On the space engineering side, we've seen massive advances on that side. What we're going to see in the future is a huge transition in the propulsion technology, really related to this movement away from hydrocarbon fuel. So aerospace engineering, if we're talking about planes, they are a large net contributor to CO2 production. All the companies are going through a revision on how, and have plans on how they're going to reduce their carbon footprint. So I said this net zero, which is this strong feature of this research course, is the biggest driver for that side for aerospace engineering. We must meet those objectives. Planes are a bit unusual in the sense that they introduce the pollutants very high up in the atmosphere where they're potentially long-lived. So there are lots of discussions about how high planes should fly, but that's the biggest driver in all of this. Well, my main goal is to teach the students and to make sure that they've got an understanding of core physical principles. It's a very diverse area. Aerospace includes fluid mechanics, thermal physics and material science, and so we've designed a very nice course that kind of navigates through this complexity, and at the end of it they'll get a set of skills that they'll be able to apply to other areas, not just planes, rockets, but energy, wind turbines and all sorts of other areas. The students are brilliant. They're really engaged, and I think doing it face-to-face provides a much stronger point of engagement with the students. I think there's a significant uplift in seeing students face-to-face. We can discuss the problems in more detail. We have much more time for the students, so very, very positive. Students are very capable, very interesting, and I learn a lot from the students. They have some very good questions, require me to think a little bit in terms of responding, so excellent, very positive. So young people want to make a difference in the world. They have a real passion for where they want to go, and one of the joys of interacting with young people who have this drive and motivation is that they've got some interesting views on the real world, and they are not shy of asking very challenging questions, so very positive, and the students are excellent. So